Hi, it's Amelia at Immobiliser Fit. What we've installed today is a Starline i96 Pro on this 2020 Range Rover Discovery. So if someone was to get in and clone this key, try to start the vehicle, that should just swipe and switch off, the vehicle won't start. So to start it, what you need is to go for either a push sequence or have the customer's phone paired up to start the vehicle. So we haven't paired the phone yet, so we'll just show you the buttons. So to do that is ignition on. We've set the code to something simple, 1, 2, 3. Hear your melody, now the vehicle will start. And it's running. So the push sequence you can use on this can be a combination of any buttons that are supported with a push sequence between 3 and 21 presses. So the way you change that is first the system has to be disarmed. So within 10 seconds it'll automatically disarm. Now press any button 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, back on, we'll get 5 bleeps. So now it's ready to learn, so we'll change it to 1, 2, 3. Wait for a confirmation. Repeat that code once again, 1, 2, 3. Wait for the same confirmation. That's the code learned. So give it about 10 seconds, this will automatically arm, and then we can test that code. Show you that it's changed. So ignition on, new code, 1, 2, 3. Melody, we can start. If the customer wanted to pair up their phone, which would mean they don't have to do the push sequence every single time, this is how it's done. So first system has to be disarmed, so within 10 seconds it'll automatically disarm. Now press any button 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ignition off, back on, we'll get 7 bleeps and this will be ready to learn. So now if we go into the Starline key app, start search, i96 will pop up here. If it doesn't, go into your Bluetooth settings, like we have to on this phone. So into Bluetooth settings. On here we'll search for a device. i96 pops up. Password for this is 0 6 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click pair. Got a bleep from the vehicle to confirm that it's paired. So now if we hop back into the app, turn the ignition off. 1 bleep means we've got 1 phone. You can have up to 5 phones on this. And now we've got our green circle. So this means the phone's protected, phone's connected, the vehicle's secure with a green circle around it. So as long as the phone's in range, ignition on, hear our melody, the vehicle will start straight away. Oh. So this means the vehicle's protected, we've got a green circle around it, it's connected to the phone and it's secure. So with the phone connected and in range, ignition on, hear the melody straight away and we can start the vehicle. No need to put push sequence in. If you want to take this vehicle for a service and it goes back to Range Rover, don't want to give them your push sequence or your phone, obviously, you put it into service mode. So how that's done, go into the app, press and hold. Now it's gone yellow release. We get our 2 bleeps. This is now a normal car. So if we turn the Bluetooth off, so the phone doesn't exist, there's no need for a push sequence now. The vehicle will just start up as normal. When you get it back, you can go into the app, do the same thing in reverse with your phone connected, press and hold. When it'll be yellow, press and hold, it'll go to green, or we can do it through the buttons. That's simply done by just putting your disarm code in, so we'll do that now. So ignition on. Disarm code 1, 2, 3. Get our 2 bleeps and you see the phone's gone back to green, so it's protected again. If you want to get one of these fitted on your vehicle and you want it secured, we're Immobiliser Fit. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Once again, if you want it fitted, our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.